Sweetened condensed milk is expensive, and even more so when you have food allergies or need it to be dairy-free. Let me show you how to make a dairy-free, vegan-friendly version that you can swap into all of your sweetened condensed milk recipes. Give your cans a really good shake so that the coconut fat and coconut water can come together. Add 600 milliliters, 2.5 cups of your coconut cream or coconut milk to a heavy bottom sauce pot. Turn the heat on to medium and let it start to come up to a gentle simmer. Once you start to see some bubbles forming in your milk, it's time to add in your sugar. Add in 200 grams, 1 cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Continue stirring until all of the sugar granules have melted. Once they've melted, stop stirring and let the mixture come back up to a simmer. Once simmering, set a timer for 5 minutes. The whole process from simmering to finished should take about 25 to 30 minutes, but you want to make sure to stir every 5 minutes, and the timer really helps with that. This stage feels like it takes forever, but it goes from not ready to ready in the blink of an eye, so make sure you're keeping watch. Every time you stir, scrape down the sides of your pot so that nothing sticks or burns. You'll know you're just about finished when you get vigorous bubbling happening on the surface of your mixture. This means most of the water has evaporated and your mixture will thicken beautifully. At this stage, the mixture really starts clinging to the sides of your pot. That's how you know it's ready, so take it off the heat. I'm pouring my mixture through a strainer into a heat-proof jar. I find the strainer helps just in case there are any little bits left, but this was a really smooth mixture and there was nothing to strain out. It will still feel very liquidy, but once it cools, it sets up and it's just like your regular store-bought sweetened condensed milk. Set the jar aside and let it cool to room temperature. Now you're ready to turn your favorite bakes dairy-free. This recipe makes just about the same amount as one store-bought can. That's about 14 ounces, 400 grams, or around 1 3/4 cups. You can store this for 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator or freeze it for up to 3 months. And if you're looking for an amazing recipe to use this sweetened condensed milk, you have to try my Nonna's rum balls. It uses up leftover cookies and they are so delicious. If you found this video helpful, please head down below and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.